Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel, and today is another hair review. Yes, it's from your favorite company, my favorite company right now, Luvme Hair. So I'm gonna get right on into this video because I'm not about to waste no time because this hair is too bomb.
So won't you say my name, if you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby.
Hey Glam Dolls, so I am back again with another wig review, and this time of course from my fave Luvme Hair. So this time we're going to be reviewing a bob wig, and it has a bang. It's super cute. So let me get right on into the contents of the box. As you know, it does come in the purple Luvme Hair box with a purple ribbon around it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. And let's see, so Luvme Hair always includes little free gifts in their orders. So one of the things that you get is a wig cap, and this one is 2 pieces, so you get 2 wig caps with this one. Then you get a really cute pouch that says Luvme Hair, and it has some goodies inside. And the goodies that we have this time are, of course, the signature hair clip that says Luvme. Isn't that super cute, y'all? So you have the Luvme hair clip, you have bobby pins, you have your edge tamer brush and comb duo, you have a stretchy band that you can replace the band that's inside of your wig with, and you can sew that in if it does, you know, get a little worn down or whatever. Then you have this little cute thing. Now I unboxed the headband wig, the wet and wavy headband wig, and I didn't know exactly what it was, but one of my subscribers told me that it is just like a little cute headband, and you can also curl your hair around it, and it can give you some heatless curls. So that's really cute. You also have some tweezers. If you were to have a lace front wig and you want to pluck the hairline, or if you want to put on lashes with it, you can do whatever you want with it. So that's what comes in there. Then of course you have your brochure about how to care for your hair, about your refunds, and you have the hair itself, and it comes in a purple organza bag that says Luvme in gold. And this is the wig. Now this wig was a steal. The wig was originally $89.90, and they're having a 25% off sale right now. If they don't have it going on right now, I'll still include my link down below where you can still get 25% off. So with the 25% off, it dropped it down to $67.43, and I had a $50 gift card, so I only paid $17.43 for this wig. Now this wig is the silk base top bob wig with bangs in the color natural black 1B. So that is all the information about the wig, and this is how it comes. Of course it has the net on it to protect it, and it has the stuffing on the inside. Now this wig does come with 3 combs. So it has a comb on the side here, a comb on this side, and a comb in the back. And it also has the adjustable headband. So this wig is glueless. You need no glue for this. All you need is your wig cap, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig on. Now straight out the pack, this wig is giving very much Dora the Explorer, all right? Boots, how we getting home? But I am gonna work it a little bit. I'm gonna take my flat irons and kind of fix it up right now. First impressions, this wig is so bomb. Like, the bangs are super wispy, so you're not walking out like, not the bang.
Oh look, not the bang, the bang. Oh 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 oh.
The bang. Yes, the bang is super cute. It's giving me like Monica vibes, like in the 90s. So yes, it's not too thick. It's like natural hair for real, and my hair is like pulled back in a ponytail, so it's not really braided down right now. So I guess you don't have to really braid it down if you don't want to, but I would prefer it. Oh, but yes, this is so freaking cute. I think it would be really cute if I had like a red lip. Couldn't sell me nothing, but yes, even with a natural look like I have going on right now, this hair is so bomb. It's not stiff well.
Yes, yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh, ooh. Nowhere.
Stiff what?
Where?
No.
Stiff wear, not stiff at all, sis. It's definitely gonna flow with you and move. So another thing I love about this wig is that it has like these layers already cut in it, so it's not like a blunt cut bob at all. It's very, very wispy and natural. Super cute. So it flows very, very easily. Doesn't look too boxy at all. So like I said, I will put my link down below. You can get 25% off any wig with this code. All you gotta do is click it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell notification. You could be part of the Glam Dolls. You can be one of them, girl. You could be one of them. So go ahead and do that, and I will check in with y'all on the next